Today, we are going to be learning about order of operations. Well, what is it? It is a set of rules that tells us the order to solve an equation. We can solve this by using PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, when you have multiplication and division in the same equation, you always have to go in order from left to right. This applies for addition and subtraction too. Let's do an example together. Here we have 2 plus 4 times 5. According to PEMDAS, we have to do multiplication before we can do addition. So we will be doing 4 times 5 first. And as you know, 4 times 5 is 20. Now we can rewrite the whole equation, and it will be 2 plus 20. 2 plus 20 is 22, so that's going to be our answer for this equation. Let's do another one together. Here we have 2 plus 5 times 4 divided by 10. Remember, when you have multiplication and division in the same equation, you always have to go in order from left to right. Since we have to do multiplication first, we will be doing 5 times 4, which is 20. And then, to make stuff easier, we will rewrite the equation. So we will be rewriting 2 plus 20 divided by 10. Now, what do you think the next step is? If you said 20 divided by 10, you're correct. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So now we will rewrite the equation. 2 plus 2. And what is that? 4. So 4 is our final answer.